This massive industrial gear begins as simple scrap steel. This massive industrial gear, coated in thick amber oil, rotates slowly, demonstrating that.
But every industrial gear starts inside a foundry. The process begins with recycled scrap steel. This steel once served other machines. The scrap is sorted by type and quality. Impurities are carefully removed. Clean scrap is prepared for melting.
This furnace reaches extreme temperatures.
The steel is heated until it melts. The scrap transforms into molten steel. The composition is adjusted for strength. Samples confirm the steel's quality. A mold is prepared for the industrial gear. The molten steel is now ready to form the industrial gear. The industrial gear mold is now ready. The mold is sealed to handle molten steel. Molten steel is transported carefully. Final checks ensure proper flow. The casting process begins. The steel fills every gear tooth. Flow is carefully controlled. The mold is now fully filled. The steel begins to solidify. Cooling is carefully controlled.
Insulation prevents cracking.
Cooling takes many hours.
The gear casting is now solid.
The industrial gear has taken shape. The industrial steel gear has fully cooled. The mold is ready to be opened. Residual sand is removed. The gear enters shot blasting. Shot blasting cleans the surface. The gear surface is now clean. Excess metal is removed. Rough grinding smooths the casting. The gear teeth are still unrefined. The casting is inspected for defects.
Okay.
Reference points are marked. The gear moves to machining. Precision work begins next. The large industrial steel gear enters precision machining. The large industrial steel gear is carefully secured. Initial machining removes excess material. The center bore is machined to size. Flat surfaces are refined. Gear tooth cutting begins. Each tooth is cut with precision. Accurate tooth geometry is essential. Dimensions are checked during machining. Final finishing improves performance.
Surface quality is verified.
Machining is complete. The large industrial steel gear now has its final shape. Next comes heat treatment. Strength is developed in the next stage. The large industrial steel gear now enters heat treatment. Heat treatment increases strength and durability. The temperature is precisely controlled. The gear is prepared for rapid cooling. Rapid cooling locks his strength. Rapid cooling locks in strength. Tempering balances hardness and toughness. The gear stabilizes as it cools.
Dimensions are verified.
Each tooth is inspected for accuracy. Internal integrity is confirmed. Internal integrity is confirmed. Final finishing improves performance. Final finishing improves performance. A protective coating prevents corrosion. The large industrial steel gear is complete. It is built to handle extreme forces. It is built to handle extreme forces. This is how a large industrial steel gear is made from scrap steel.